Okay, let's go downstairs. We got 2 bedrooms and a bath up, 1 bedroom and a bath down. And this is cement floor. Let me find some lights. There we go. Big room, all wood. All wood. That's a wood stove for down here. He's got it like a little workshop. This is going to be the panel box. Nice and clean. Very clean. Somewhat labeled. Wired for cable. He's using this more like a workshop. But this would be like your downstairs living room. And you have another utility room. That's your well pump. That's your water. That's your furnace. It all looks really good. And this is the bathroom. That's tile. And tub shower. Down here. Closet under the stairs, and it's a bedroom / sewing room. Catch-all. Looks like a sewing room. That's nice. Oh, that's where it comes in. That's good.